guys, so today I'm reviewing, unboxing the Kärcher K7 Compact. So let's see what's in the box. It's a pretty heavy box. I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, I got my invoice. I also ordered the extra FJ96 foam jet, powerful cannon they say. I also have an aftermarket one, but I will try with this one to see how it works with the original Kärchers. So I got this. It comes with a lens. I think that this is the powerful one to do concrete. The guns looks pretty well made. It has a little tap connector. The handle. A 10-meter hose with the two connectors. I pretty much like the feel of this compared to the other one that I had from a cheap Black & Decker pressure washer I had. This is a soft and nice. It looks premium quality even over the bigger model. Nice. Okay, a little bit of useless book here for in all the languages. How-to guide. Okay, how to clean the glass and stuff. And the last book. Okay, nothing. Let's take out the machine here. And it's amazing how heavy this is. Yeah, very heavy. It's extremely heavy for such a small machine, which is a pretty good sign, I think. Meaning it has a it has a metal pump. I don't know if it's aluminum or brass or stainless, I don't know. But they say that this goes 180 bars. 180 bars, supposed to be like 1800 psi. So there you have it, guys. This is the unboxing. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to assemble it and see how well it works. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you.